Hello everyone, my name is Philip. I'm going to share with you 3 simple exercises of Qigong. This exercise you can do every day. It's good to awakening our body. It's simple and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, let's bring our legs together and hands here, and keep your knees relaxed and flexible, and let's go sitting. Let's go down slowly and up, and then down and up. Okay, now let's relax. Now with this exercise, let's add one more movement. So as you go down, we start moving our knees from our left to right, half a circle, like this. I'm going to move down. Then I will start by pointing my knees to left and doing half a circle to the right. Then I go up. Then I go down, and I repeat the process. You only go down to the point that you feel relaxed and comfortable. Just listen to your body and respect. Now let's change. Let's start from the right to left. You can do more sequence if you like. For the moment, this is only to show how to do it. Okay, one more. And go up and relax. Let's open the legs. Let's go to the second exercise. Keep your knees bent and relax. Hands on the waist. Just relax your hands, your shoulders, and let's start moving around. Imagine that you are painting a circle as you move. Just visualize or just see this circle as you move. Slow and relax. Let's reverse. Okay, one more, and then let's realign again to the center. Let's relax the arms. And let's go to the last one. This is good for the shoulders and good for the breathing and for the activating our circulation on our body. So imagine that you are holding something between your hands. Keep your knees bent and relax. And as you breathe in, you move up, fingers up on the top, hands, palm of the hands aligned to each other. Then turn your hands to left and right side. And as you breathe out, you move down. And just imagine that you're pressing something down. Palm of the hands facing down. Then here, you relax 1-2 seconds. And then you start again a new sequence. Palm of the hands aligned to each other as you are holding something between your hands. Breathe in, you move up. Breathe out, you move down. Okay, one more. And that's it. This is the 3 exercise. We call it the 3 warm-ups to the body. It's good to warming up the body. And every exercise you can start doing 15, 1-5 to each side. Then you can reverse. Then if you feel comfortable with 15, you can do 30, 3-0 to each side. I hope you enjoy it. If you practice, then you can write on the comments and you can reply me. Thank you. See you on the next one.